When I see you on stage, what I see and experience is just a ton of like infectious, contagious energy, a friendliness, a warmth. I'm happy to be here. This is going to be fun. I feel like I'm in good hands. So, how did you learn to show up in such a awake, alive place?
One of the things I've learned is that when people can see your hands, they tend to trust you more, right? And this is, who knows, just ingrained in our DNA in some way, because, perhaps if people can't see your hands, you're like, well, what are you hiding, right? Well, in this online space, the video is only showing like this very small segment. And so one of the things I heard from somewhere along the way is like, show your hands. And I naturally talk with my hands anyway, so that wasn't difficult. But when I'm just talking to somebody, at a coffee shop, my hands aren't in this view that the video camera would pick up. And so then I'm like, oh, well, if I'm using my hands and I just bring them in, that is in service to the people I'm talking to, because they'll be able to see my hands and trust me more. And that's a positive thing, right? So it's still, in alignment with who I am. I'm still being myself, but I'm just making this slight adjustment.